Here are Grandma's gardening hacks, 31 crops to grow in November, no matter where you live. Broccoli. Grandma always said November is perfect for growing broccoli, even in cooler climates. This resilient crop thrives in colder weather, which reduces the chance of pests and results in sweeter tasting florets. To plant, choose a sunny spot and work compost into the soil to improve its richness. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, spacing them about a foot apart. Water thoroughly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Broccoli's cool season growth reduces stress on the plant, leading to a more robust harvest around early spring. Cabbage. Cabbage is an ideal cool weather crop that thrives when planted in fall. Cooler temperatures allow cabbage heads to develop slowly, creating dense, flavorful leaves. Begin by selecting a sunny spot with well-draining, fertile soil and add compost to enrich it. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, spaced about 12 inches apart, or plant transplants directly. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. The chilly season keeps pests at bay, helping cabbage mature into crisp, nutrient-packed heads by late winter. Collard greens. Collard greens thrive in cooler months, producing tender, sweet leaves when temperatures drop. To extend the harvest season, plant collards in late fall. To grow, plant seeds or transplants in well-amended soil, 1/2 inch deep, with spacing around 18 inches for adequate air circulation. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist. Collards' tolerance to frost enhances their flavor, ensuring a steady supply of nutritious greens through winter and early spring. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi, a unique brassica, performs excellently in colder weather, developed in firm, mild-flavored bulbs when grown in fall. Plant kohlrabi in late autumn to benefit from the frost that enhances its sweetness. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep, spacing them about 6 to 8 inches apart in rich, well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged to prevent rot. Kohlrabi's low-temperature growth results in a sweeter, crisper harvest that's perfect for salads and stews come early spring. Onions. Onions are a classic winter crop, capable of withstanding cold temperatures for a hearty spring harvest. No wonder it's one of Grandma's favorite crops to plant. Plant onion sets in late fall to establish roots before winter fully sets in. Choose a sunny area with loose, well-draining soil and plant sets about 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart. Water lightly as onions prefer slightly drier soil. Cold season growth helps onions form strong bulbs, providing a steady supply of homegrown onions in the early months of the year. Scallions. Scallions are a fantastic crop choice for cooler seasons, thriving in lower temperatures. Plant scallion seeds or transplants about 1/2 inch deep in loose, well-draining soil, spaced 1 inch apart. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering to prevent rot. Scallions take up minimal space, making them perfect for small garden beds or containers. By growing scallions in cool weather, you'll enjoy a continuous supply of fresh green onions, ideal for adding mild, oniony flavor to dishes. Asparagus. Asparagus is a resilient perennial that benefits from a fall planting, allowing roots to establish during winter. Start by digging an 8-inch trench, spacing crowns 12 inches apart, and covering them with 2 inches of soil. As the asparagus begins to grow, Grandma said to gradually fill in the trench. It requires consistent moisture and well-draining soil to thrive. A winter dormancy strengthens asparagus roots, ensuring vigorous growth and a robust harvest come spring, providing tender, flavorful spears. Artichokes. Artichokes grow well in cooler weather, developing tender, flavorful buds when started in fall. Choose well-draining soil and plant crowns or transplants at a depth of 1 inch, spacing them about 30 inches apart to allow ample room. Keep the soil moist, but avoid waterlogging. Winter's chill strengthens the artichoke plants, helping them produce larger buds by spring. Artichokes are a unique crop that adds both visual interest and delicious flavor to the garden and kitchen alike. Celery. Celery is well suited for cooler months as fall planting results in crisp, tender stalks. Sow seeds shallowly about 1/4 inch deep or use transplants with 6-inch spacing in nutrient-rich soil. Regular watering is essential to keep the soil consistently moist as celery is sensitive to drought. Cold weather allows celery to grow slowly, which helps intensify flavor while keeping the stalks firm. Fall-grown celery is perfect for soups, salads, and fresh, crunchy snacks. Celeriac, or celery root. Contrary to what others believe, celery root is not the root of a celery plant. Often called celeriac, this crop thrives in cooler weather, developing rich flavor and dense roots. Sow seeds approximately 1/2 inch deep in fertile, loose soil, spacing them 6 to 8 inches apart. Consistent watering is important to maintain soil moisture. Cold temperatures encourage celeriac's slow, steady growth, resulting in robust, flavorful roots. This cool weather crop is ideal for hearty winter meals, whether roasted, mashed, or added to stews for an earthy, delicious flavor. Pak choi or bok choy. Pak choi or bok choy thrives in cooler weather, developing tender, crisp leaves. Start by planting seeds 1/2 inch deep in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with partial sun. Space seeds about 6 to 8 inches apart to allow proper air circulation. Keep the soil moist as pak choi prefers consistent hydration. Cooler temperatures slow down bolting, allowing the plant to produce lush leaves, ideal for stir-fries and salads. This hardy crop is ready for harvest in as little as 6 weeks. Florence fennel. Florence fennel grows best in cool weather, which allows it to develop a large, flavorful bulb. Plant seeds about 1/2 inch deep in loose, well-draining soil, enriched with compost, spaced 12 inches apart. Water regularly to keep the soil slightly moist, as fennel roots are shallow. Cooler temperatures encourage the development of a sweet, anise-flavored bulb. Florence fennel is perfect for roasted dishes and salads, adding a unique, crisp texture to fall and winter meals. Winter squash. Winter squash needs a head start in cooler weather to establish roots before the frost sets in. Plant seeds 1 inch deep in rich, well-draining soil and space them about 3 feet apart to accommodate spreading vines. Mulch around the base to retain moisture and insulate the roots. As temperatures drop, the plants focus energy on producing hardy, thick-skinned fruits. Winter squash varieties like acorn and butternut are excellent for storage and cooking through the cold months. Savoy cabbage. Savoy cabbage is ideal for cooler seasons, producing crisp, crinkly leaves when grown in lower temperatures, according to Grandma. Sow seeds about 1/2 inch deep in well-drained, compost-enriched soil, spaced 12 to 15 inches apart. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid waterlogging. Cooler weather keeps pests away and enhances Savoy's natural sweetness, creating tender, flavorful heads. This cold-tolerant cabbage is a great choice for stews and sautés, adding both texture and nutrition to winter meals. Chicory. Chicory is a robust winter crop that develops rich flavor in cooler temperatures. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil enriched with compost, spacing them 6 inches apart. Keep the soil moist but not overly wet, as chicory prefers slightly dry conditions. Cold weather reduces bitterness, creating leaves that are crisp and slightly sweet. Chicory is versatile in salads or sautés, offering a nutritious, slightly bitter edge to winter dishes, perfect for cold season gardening. Mizuna. Mizuna, a Japanese mustard green, thrives in cool weather, developing tender, mildly spicy leaves. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil, spacing them 4 to 6 inches apart. Mizuna prefers partial sun, though it can handle full sun in cooler climates. Keep the soil evenly moist for optimal growth. The cool temperatures prevent bolting, allowing for a continuous harvest of fresh greens. Mizuna is perfect for salads, soups, and stir-fries, adding a peppery kick to winter dishes. Sorrel. Sorrel is a hardy perennial that grows best in cool temperatures, producing tangy, lemon-flavored leaves. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in nutrient-rich, moist soil, spaced 6 inches apart. Sorrel tolerates partial shade and can thrive in lower light conditions. Regular watering keeps leaves tender and fresh, especially in cooler weather. Sorrel's unique flavor makes it a wonderful addition to salads and soups, providing a vibrant, citrusy note that brightens winter meals. Komatsuna. Komatsuna, also known as Japanese mustard spinach, is well suited to cool seasons, developing tender leaves with a mild flavor. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in loose, fertile soil, spacing them 6 inches apart for ample growth. Komatsuna thrives in full or partial sunlight and requires consistent moisture to produce lush leaves. The cool weather helps keep Komatsuna tender and slows down bolting, providing a steady supply of greens ideal for stir-fries and soups. Escarole. Escarole, a member of the chicory family, grows best in cooler temperatures, which enhance its crisp texture and slightly bitter taste. Sow seeds about 1/2 inch deep in rich, well-draining soil, spacing them 12 inches apart. Escarole prefers full sun but tolerates partial shade, especially in cooler weather. Regular watering helps maintain its crisp leaves. Escarole adds depth to salads and soups, balancing flavors with its hearty, mildly bitter bite. Tokyo Bacana. Tokyo Bacana is a leafy Asian green that flourishes in cool weather, producing mild, tender leaves. Sow seeds about 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil, leaving 6 inches between plants. Tokyo Bacana can handle partial to full sun and prefers regular watering to keep leaves fresh. Cooler temperatures prevent bolting and enhance the green's flavor, making them perfect for salads and stir-fries. This delicate green provides a mild, slightly mustardy taste to winter dishes. Radicchio. Radicchio, a colorful member of the chicory family, thrives in cooler weather, which enhances its signature bitter flavor. To grow, sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in well-draining, fertile soil and space them 12 inches apart. Radicchio prefers full sun, but it tolerates partial shade in milder climates. Water consistently to keep leaves crisp, especially in dry spells. The chill of fall or winter encourages vibrant red hues, making radicchio a stunning and flavorful addition to salads. Rapini, or broccoli rabe. Rapini, also known as broccoli rab, performs best in cool temperatures, producing leafy stalks with small buds and a slight, peppery taste. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in rich, well-draining soil, leaving 4 to 6 inches between each plant. Rapini grows well in full sun and requires regular moisture to avoid bitterness. Cooler weather slows bolting, which enhances flavor. This nutrient-packed green is delicious sautéed or added to pasta for a vibrant, healthy meal. Perennial onions. Perennial onions, such as Egyptian walking onions, thrive in colder seasons, providing a reliable source of greens and small bulbs year-round. Plant bulb sets 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart in loose, well-draining soil with full sunlight. These onions need minimal maintenance beyond occasional watering. The cool temperatures help onions establish strong roots, ensuring a lasting harvest. Known for their hardiness, perennial onions offer a steady supply of fresh green tops and small bulbs in any home garden. Good King Henry. Good King Henry, a perennial green, grows well in cool weather and can tolerate frost, making it ideal for winter planting. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in moist, well-draining soil with partial to full sun exposure. Space the plants about 12 inches apart to allow them room to spread. Once established, Good King Henry requires little care and offers edible leaves and shoots. This resilient green is perfect for sautés and soups, adding nutritious greens to winter meals. Lovage. Lovage, a perennial herb resembling celery, flourishes in cooler weather and returns each spring, making it an excellent long-term addition to the garden. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in rich, well-draining soil with 12 to 18 inches between plants for adequate growth. Lovage prefers full sun to partial shade and consistent moisture. Its leaves, stems, and seeds are all edible, adding a strong celery flavor to soups and stews. This robust herb is a reliable wintertime flavor enhancer. Scorzonera. Scorzonera, a root vegetable known for its mild, oyster-like flavor, thrives in cooler temperatures. To plant, sow seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart in well-draining soil. Scorzonera requires full sun and steady moisture to produce long, tender roots. Harvest Scorzonera roots when they reach 12 to 14 inches in length. Winter purslane. Winter purslane, or miner's lettuce, is an ideal leafy green for colder months, thriving even under light frost. Sow seeds on the soil surface and lightly cover them, ensuring consistent moisture. Purslane does best in partial shade and prefers rich, well-draining soil. The cool season keeps its leaves tender and mild, enhancing their flavor in salads. Winter purslane will continue to produce fresh greens throughout winter, offering a steady supply of nutritious, cold-tolerant foliage. Rhubarb. Rhubarb loves the cold, which helps it establish strong roots for spring growth. Plant rhubarb crowns about 2 inches deep in rich, well-drained soil, spacing them 3 feet apart for ample room. Choose a sunny location and keep soil consistently moist without waterlogging. Winter dormancy strengthens rhubarb, allowing it to produce larger, more flavorful stalks when spring arrives. This hardy perennial offers a tart, versatile flavor for pies, sauces, and other culinary delights. O-Rich. O-Rich, sometimes called mountain spinach, is a cool weather green that tolerates frost, making it perfect for winter. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep and 6 inches apart in well-draining, fertile soil. O-Rich prefers full sun but can handle partial shade. Regular watering helps it maintain tender, mildly salty leaves. The cold season preserves its vibrant colors and mild taste, making O-Rich a beautiful and nutritious addition to winter salads or sautés. Watercress. Watercress, known for its peppery taste, grows best in moist, cool environments, making it ideal for winter planting near water sources. Sow seeds on moist soil or in shallow water, spacing them 3 to 4 inches apart. Grandma said that watercress requires consistent moisture and prefers partial shade. The cold season keeps its leaves crisp and flavorful. With a steady water supply, watercress offers fresh, vitamin-rich greens for soups and salads throughout the winter. Sea kale. Sea kale, a perennial green that withstands frost, flourishes when planted in cooler months. Plant seeds 1 inch deep and 12 inches apart in sandy, well-draining soil, ideally in full sunlight. Sea kale tolerates salty conditions, making it suitable for coastal gardens. Regular watering encourages healthy growth without waterlogging. The cold weather improves the taste and texture of its leaves, shoots, and flower buds, making it a versatile crop for winter meals. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.